New mom? Save time, sanity, sleep. 10 game-changing hacks for 2025, starting now. Okay, so, let's be real. Being a new mom is a lot. It's this weird mix. Most in love you've ever been, and also a chaotic 24/7 reality show. You haven't slept, and your only co-star just pooped on a clean onesie. I've been there, staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., wondering if I'll ever feel functional again. It's beautiful, but also messy, and that's okay. We're all trying to figure it out, one coffee at a time. I put together this little survival guide. Practical, modern, simple tips you can use today. No complicated systems, just easy tricks that save minutes, maybe hours. Less frazzled, more of the cool, capable mom you already are, even if it doesn't feel like it. We're going to streamline everything. Before we dive in, I have to do the thing. The YouTube thing. You know the drill. If you're new here, hit subscribe, tap the bell for weekly parenting tips. It helps me out, and you won't miss the next minor breakthrough that might save your afternoon nap. Okay, ready? Let's get into it. Grab your lukewarm coffee. Find a semi-comfortable position. Let's figure this out together. All right, first up, the nursery. You'll spend a lot of time here, often half asleep. Make it work for you. My philosophy: everything reachable from one spot. Step 1. The smart monitor. Glance at your phone to know if they're awake or just noisy sleepers. No more creaking doors. It's basically secret spy gear for parenting. Step 2. Automate the vibe. White noise before naps. Nightlight ultra dim for midnight feeds. Control it from your phone so you're not fumbling in the dark. Step 3. The cart. Top. Diapers, wipes, cream, mini trash. Middle. Burp cloths, spare onesies, nipple cream. Bottom. Water, snacks, charger, headphones. Goal. Sit, feed, burp, change, reswaddle, never get up. White noise is on, lights are dim. Scoop, sit, everything within arm's reach. Make life 10% easier, which in newborn world is basically 100. Recap. Smart monitor, automated sound, jar light, command cart. Hack 2. Feeding prep station, because feeding feels non-stop. A simple tray saves your sanity when hunger turns squeaks into screeches. Pumping, parts, clean bottles, milk bags, Sharpie, snacks. Formula, can plus scoop, plus clean bottles, plus pitcher of nursery water. Combo, mix both. Night hack, pre-fill a thermal carafe. Pour warm water, add formula, shake, ready fast and safe. If baby stirs around 2 a.m., start the warmer at 150. Most auto shut off and hold temp. A mini nursery station works too. Tiny tray, huge time savings. Pre-warmed water turns 10 minutes into 2. Remove friction. You wake, go to your station. Everything's there. These pockets of efficiency add up to calmer nights and more sleep. Let's talk sleep training. There's a middle ground. Modern, gentle approach. Build positive sleep associations. Night 1. Routine, drowsy but awake into crib. If they cry, set a 3-5-minute timer. Pat, shush, whisper, I love you, it's sleepy time. Then leave. Night 2. Same routine, slightly longer waits. Calm, boring check-ins. No picking up unless hysterical. Night 3. Stretch to 10 minutes. You'll see patterns. They start connecting cycles. You're not abandoning them, you're coaching. Apply to naps. Be a united front. Don't quit after one bad night. A 4 or 5 hour stretch feels like a vacation. It gives you your brain back. The diaper situation, let's make it less gross. Do a pit stop. Quick scan each change. Outfit, nails, stuffy nose. Knock out micro tasks in one go. Keep clippers, nose sucker, backup outfit right at the station. Trim when they're already still. No wrestling later. Have a mini station on every floor. Portable pad, diapers, wipes, cream, wet bag, tucked by the couch or stairs. For odor, seal the strongest diapers in compostable dog bags first, then pail or trash. Total smell control. Batch tasks, floor caddies, seal stink. Less chaos, way less gross. Take control of the poop situation. not the other way around. You need to eat too. Seriously. Stock one-handed protein, hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, bars, jerky, almonds. Batch energy balls, oats, protein powder, peanut butter, chia, grab and go. Cook components, double ground beef, tacos now, pasta, salad later, roast sweet potatoes, broccoli. Embrace freezer meals. Ask friends to gift one. It's not selfish to take 10 minutes to eat. You can't pour from an empty cup. Becoming a human kangaroo is a vibe. Start with a stretchy wrap for newborns, then graduate to a buckle carrier as they grow. Watch a tutorial, practice with a pillow. Once tied, you'll pop baby in, out all day. Safety. See their face, chin off chest, knees higher than bum, comfy for hips and you. Hands back, baby content. Front carry now, back carry later. Freedom unlocked. You're rejoining the world. Walks, groceries, coffee with a friend. Your brain needs breaks too. 2-minute grounding. 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. 5-minute gratitude. Coffee tasted extra good. Baby smiled. I took a shower. 10-minute sleepable nap. Dark, quiet, guided audio. Rest your brain even if you don't sleep. 17 minutes total. Changes how the day feels. Be intentional. You're worth it. We're on our phones anyway. Make them work for you. Track feeds, diapers, sleep. When baby cries, the app ends guesswork. Sync with your partner. Same page, less friction. If pumping, timer, output graph, frozen stash, reminders built in. Nurse chat at 2 a.m. for rashes, weird colors, tiny worries, peace of mind fast. Let tech carry the mental load. You focus on snuggles. Outings feel monumental, but with a system, they're normal. Keep a compact backpack pre-packed. Restock for 5 minutes when home. Grab and go. Match gear to the trip. Carrier for quick runs. Travel stroller for longer walks. Leave right after a feed and change. Buy a 1-2 hour happy window. Be intentional. It's the difference between a pleasant outing and a disaster. Fresh air and adult conversation are medicine. You can do this. Last hack, build a reliable micro network. Pick 3 people and align on specific help. Ask specific tasks. It's easier to say yes. Trade 2-hour baby holds so each of you can rest. Team sport, build your team. Stop trying to be a superhero. The best moms ask for help. And that's it. 10 hacks in around 10 minutes. We did it. Some days are survival. These tips help you enjoy more of it.